In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a t-shirt on Roblox. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial teaching you how to download the file for the t-shirt, how to upload it, and how to edit the t-shirt. And then you can start selling and making a bunch of Robux. So let's just first go to roblox.com. Then you just want to click on the create tab at the top hand side. Then you just want to go to creations right here, go to avatar items, then go to classics, and then you'll have the classic t-shirts thing right here. You want to go to classic shirts right here. Then you want to click upload asset right here. Then once you're here, you want to go right underneath the asset type and click learn more. Then you'll be taken to this website where it basically teaches you how to create and sell your first 2D clothing. But you want to go all the way down and go to this right here. So this is pants and this is the t-shirt. So you want to go right here, click shirt, torso, and arms. It'll then download this zip file. So bring that to your desktop and then double click that. Then you'll want to open this up right here, and then you'll have the pants right here and this shirt right here. Then what you're gonna do is either use a free photo editing software like Photopea right here, but I have Photoshop, so I'm just gonna use Photoshop. Photoshop and Photopea are quite similar, but it just depends on if you actually purchase Photoshop, but I do not recommend purchasing it unless you are going to be starting a YouTube channel or doing a bunch of things. Then once you're here, you're gonna wanna import this into Photoshop. Import the shirt into here, so just drag it onto Photoshop, and now it will be in here. So let's full screen this. Keep in mind the size of this file should always be 585 by 559 pixels. If it's not that, it will ruin what your shirt will look like. So I definitely recommend to make sure you have the correct file in it. So just import the file and you'll be okay. Then what you're going to want to do is take this tool right here and remove all of this. So make sure you get it by each and every single pixel. So this is wrong. You're going to want to move it. So make sure the pixels are pixel perfect. So let me just do that real quickly. Then once you're here, you just want to click delete off this, and then it just immediately erases that. So you're chilling from there. So just do that for each and every single one of these, including these as well. So let me just do that real quickly. I'd also recommend just creating a square and then copying and pasting that over each of these so that you don't have to manually go over each of these. So I'm just going to do that for all of these, and then I'll show you how to remove it afterwards. Then once you got all of these, you want to combine all of this. So click convert to smart object, hold command and click that, and then you just want to get a layer mask, and then you click command I. There you go. And if I remove this, now I have all of this all set and done. So what I'm going to want to do is click this right here, and then this is going to be the color you want your shirt to be. So let's just say I want my shirt to be a bright pink. There you go, fire. Then you just want to go and cover all this. So it looks bad right now, but you just want to bring that behind. So this is going to be the color of your shirt. So let's make some sleeves as well. So this is the left arm, this is the right arm. So this is going to be the bottom of it. So what I'd recommend doing is cutting it off like right here. And this is going to be the sleeves. So for this right here, you can just hold shift and extend this outwards. There we go. And you're going to need a collar. So what you want to do is you want to right click this, go to the ellipse tool, and then create a small little collar. Make sure the pixels are the exact same. And let's make it right here. So make it in the middle. This looks about it. Hold command like usual. Hover over the rectangle you just created and then click the mask. Hold command and click I. There we go. And if I remove this, this is going to be the little collar. I might have messed up on that, but it's okay. Then once you've got this down, you could like add a little bit of style on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my little pen right here, create a new layer so it doesn't actually ruin the regular layer I created. And I'm going to have a small little fire outline. So I'm going to have it like this, a darker pink, like this color. Perfect. Then I'm going to just go around here. So there we go. You can also make it however you want it. So I just like this right here. It's not too much and it's gonna cover the neck, but it's just gonna be like a little collar, you know, like on regular t-shirt. So this is pretty nice. So this looks pretty cute. So now it's hovering over it, and what you want to do next is add texture to it. So you want to open up Google, then look up Roblox T-shirt shading. Go to images, and then let's say I want this one right here. Look for whatever one you want. I like this one right here. So I'm just gonna right click, click copy. Then I'm gonna paste it right here. So paste. There you go. So now what you're going to want to do is line it up. So that's wrong. Let me line it up real quickly. So line this up with this right here. So there it is. It's all lined up. I decided to pick a different one since I really don't like this. You can also change like the layer styles so it looks different. So like if I do, like I can do any of these. So I can do, see how it makes it look different? Like I can do multiply. I kind of like multiply, not gonna lie. Let's see any of these other ones. Yeah, I like linear burn or multiply. Linear burn is better. So I like this. Very, very nice so far. So now that you have the shading in it, it's kind of hard to see, but your shading is actually covering the transparent layer. So you're going to want to remove that, especially if you're doing a short sleeve shirt. So you just want to get this tool right here. Make sure it's not chopping off any of this right here, but let me just, so there you go right here. And now what you're going to want to do is click this mask button. So click that, then click Command I again, and now it's chopped off. So that's perfect. All right guys, so this is basically how you make a shirt. I definitely also recommend selecting your shading layer, which is right here, clicking your mask thing, and then having the brush tool, and then actually removing. Make sure your hardness is on 100%. But just actually remove all of this, guys. Just remove all of this. There we go. That is perfect. And now that you did that, you can also add your logo or whatever. I'm just going to be typing in the words Mr. Bacon. It's quite hard to see since, of course, the pixels are very, very small. But I'm just going to put it right here. Pretty nice. And now you just want to export this. So what you want to do is click, if you're on Photoshop, click File, Export, then you want to click PNG, because if you do JPEG, it will not have the transparent layer, but you want it to be transparent. So you just want to do this, name it whatever you'll remember. So I'm just going to name it Roblox T-shirt, then save it. Then you want to go back to the creator dashboard and then click Upload. There we go. And then locate your file you just exported. Type in the file name. Mine's Roblox shirt. So Roblox. There we go. And then click that. There you go. Then you want to upload it. It will cost 10 Robux, but I'm just going to do it. Upload it. There we go. Then if you go back to Roblox and you look at your avatar, the new Roblox t-shirt will immediately be in your actual thing. So look at this cutie patootie. This looks very, very cool. Not gonna lie, look at that. Look at that. Fire outfit right there, fire outfit. And you can also sell your t-shirt. So yeah, just you go into it and then you make it cost Robux and then you just give people the link. So yeah, that is how you create a t-shirt. This is gonna be a long video, but if you enjoyed, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.